at the Taj Holiday Village Resort and Spa, and we'll be staying here for the next 2 days. So this villa right here is going to be our home, and let me just show you the view first because that is insane. Shashank, just turn the camera and show them the view. It's got a sea view, so gorgeous, right? Now let's head inside. This is just the start. Now. This is the outer space. This is the lounging area here, as you can see, and it's got this cute table with umbrella here. So this is the living room space, and it looks really, really pretty with all the white curtains and the elegant interiors. Just span through it and show them how gorgeous this is. And this is how they welcomed us with a bottle of Shiraz. So excited to drink this. And it's got this cute dining table here. I'm going to be having my breakfast here surely. It looks gorgeous. Then there's this sofa, and now let's head into the bedroom. I don't want to get up. I just want to be here for the next 2 days. Okay, so it's got this cute mirror here and this television, and moving here, this is the walk-in wardrobe. Our bags are already here, and they have some bathrobes and the safe, just drawers, and then there's this huge washroom. This bathroom, it's got a bathtub here, and this pretty mirror with the basin and everything. This is the shower area. So yeah, that's about it, and we are going to be exploring more of the resort, so stay tuned.
Hi guys, we are at the Taj Holiday Village Resort, and we are at this very special restaurant, a Thai cuisine restaurant called Banyan Tree. With me is Mr. Sahil Desai.
Hi.
He is the chef for designing the new menu what we've just designed. So if you could just briefly discuss something about what we are going to experience, what kind of speciality and taste, and since we have eaten a lot of Pan Asian Chinese, but in Thai, what difference or touch what you've given to the existing?
So, like you in your introduction said, this is the one of the first Indian Thai restaurants in India, especially in Goa, and it is situated under a beautiful banyan tree, which is close to 350 plus years old, and that is how this restaurant gets its name, the banyan tree. The strongest point about this restaurant is that we masterize in one of the finest Thai food. We have chef from Thailand who brings us all his skills to give the authentic taste of Thai food. We have our own plantation where we grow our Thai herbs, and there's nothing exactly right across the restaurant where we grow our own herbs and the ingredients which goes into the creating the fineness of the curries and the tom yums and the delicacies of Thai food. And there is nothing proprietary we use in this restaurant. Everything we do it is in-house with our own products and our own skills.
Super, so we are waiting for that.
Definitely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we had an amazing sundowner at the SFX, and now we are heading for dinner to Morisco at Taj Aguada.
So we have this veg platter, hara bhara kebab, aloo tikki, the paneer and the sarson ke food. And Nimbi is busy eating. Always eating.
I'm a foodie, what can I do?
We have this restaurant called Kokum. Beautiful views in Goa. So looking forward for the main course now.
It's yum.
Hey you guys, so it's day 2 at Taj Holiday Resort in Goa, and we had an amazing day yesterday. We had some amazing cuisines. Then in the evening we went for sundowner to a very good
Taj
bar.
Aguada.
Yeah, Taj Aguada, the bar called SFX bar. And then we had dinner at one of their multi-cuisine restaurant called Kokum. So today morning we woke up to this view. And this is just amazing. It can't get more like luxury than this. It's super amazing.
So now we are heading to the pool, and they have a bar in the pool, so we are pretty excited to try out the drinks while we chill in the water and just relax. So let's go.
Let's go guys. Guys, we are at this place in Taj Aguada, Morisco, and we've come for some Goan thali. Yeah, we got Goan vegetarian thali. We're waiting for our food now. She's always hungry. This is the view, guys. This is the Goan thali. Nimbi, can you explain? So that is the dessert. This is the salad. This is the tendli ka sabzi. This is papaya fried, banana fried, sorry. This is the spinach. This is the mixed vegetable, and this is the dal. These are the local Goan breads. And I think these are the 4 types of pickles. It's a like Goan speciality. And they've given us this naan with Goan masala. All ready to dig in, guys. So basically this lounge is for the people staying in Taj Aguada Villas. This is a private kind of a lounge if you want your own privacy, and all the villa people who are staying in villa in Taj Aguada would experience this. So they have a proper breakfast, dining area, I think a spa. Do they have a spa? Pool is here. The pool is here. Okay, wow. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Kind of an infinity pool.